Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a super important topic. What is APR on a mortgage, especially as we head into 2025? If you're house hunting or refinancing, understanding APR can save you a ton of money and headaches. Let's break it down step by step. First off, APR stands for annual percentage rate. It's not just the interest rate on your mortgage. It's a broader measure that includes the interest plus other costs like origination fees, closing costs, and even some insurance premiums. Think of it as the true yearly cost of borrowing money from your lender. Now, you might be wondering, what's the difference between APR and the interest rate? Great question. The interest rate is basically the base cost of the loan, the percentage you'll pay on the amount you borrow. But APR gives you a more complete picture by factoring in those extra fees. For example, if two mortgages have the same interest rate but one has higher closing costs, the APR will show which one is actually more expensive over time. How is APR calculated? Lenders use a standardized formula that annualizes the interest and fees over the life of the loan. In 2025, with potential regulatory changes from bodies like the CFPB, APR disclosures might become even more detailed, making it easier for borrowers to compare options. This is crucial because it helps you avoid hidden costs and make smarter financial decisions. Why should you care about APR on a mortgage? Simply put, it affects your monthly payments and the total amount you'll pay over the loan's duration. For instance, a lower APR could mean thousands saved in the long run. If you're planning to buy a home in 2025, always compare APRs from different lenders to get the best deal. Don't just go for the lowest interest rate. To wrap this up, understanding APR is key to navigating the mortgage world confidently. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.